In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Salesforce email as PDF. By the end, you'll know how to prepare a list email in Salesforce Lightning, preview it, send it, and capture a clean PDF version for your records or for sharing with stakeholders. Start on the Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. If you already see a section or navigation option called List Emails, great. You're in the right place to begin composing. If you don't see it on your homepage, you can quickly check the available items. Click the pencil icon to open the page editor. In the editor, choose Add More Items to view what you can place on your layout. Switch the view to All so you're not limited to recently used components, then search for List Email to confirm it's available in your org. If you're not making layout changes today, simply click Cancel to exit the editor and return to Home. Now, open List Emails from your navigation menu or app launcher. This is where you can create and manage outbound list emails. Click New List Email to start a new draft. In the recipient field, enter a valid email address you can use for testing or internal review. If you're following along in a demo environment, a safe test address is best so you're not sending externally by accident. Next, add a clear subject line and a simple message in the body. Keep it straightforward. This walkthrough focuses on saving the email as a PDF, so brevity helps you verify layout and formatting quickly. If you added something by mistake, like an extra recipient or an unwanted item, use the trash icon to remove it. Keeping the draft clean will save you time when you capture the PDF later. When the content looks right, click Save as Draft. Saving now is helpful because it preserves your work and lets you preview from a stable version, which reduces the chance of last-second changes slipping into your final PDF. With your draft saved, click Preview and Send. The preview shows how the email will render for recipients, which is exactly what you want to capture. If you see a confirmation or compliance checkbox, such as acknowledging you have permission to email these contacts, go ahead and check it. This step is often required before scheduling or sending. You'll see options to choose a date and time. Click the date field and pick the day you want, then click the time field and select a time. If you're just creating a PDF for documentation, scheduling isn't required. You can also choose to send immediately. When you're ready, click Send Now. Right after confirming the send, or while you're on the final preview screen, capture the email format for your PDF. To do that, use your keyboard's print screen key or your device's built-in screenshot tool. On most systems, you can capture the full screen or a selected window. Aim to include the email's header, subject, and body so the PDF clearly reflects what was sent. After taking the screenshot, open it in your system's default viewer or screenshot utility and save it as a PDF. Many tools let you export directly to PDF. If yours doesn't, you can print the image to a PDF printer, which achieves the same result. Give the file a clear name that includes the subject and date and store it in a folder your team can access if needed. That's the full process. Go to Salesforce Home, make sure you can access list emails, create a new list email, add your recipient subject and body, remove anything unnecessary with the trash icon, save as a draft, preview and confirm, choose your date and time or send now, and then capture the preview using a screenshot and save it as a PDF. Follow these steps and you'll have a reliable PDF record of your Salesforce email every time.